Hey guys, this is Marley Bogdan here at MarineMax Pompano Beach. Wanted to show you guys the Boston Whaler 36 Outrage. Starting on the outside of the boat, just taking a look at the hull here. This is a white hull with a gray gel stripe. One of the things Boston Whaler is known for is their solid foam construction. So fully foam filled, the boat is completely unsinkable. You cut this boat in half and it's always going to float. Also has a very sharp V-hole in the front, so it's going to ride great offshore for those longer fishing trips you're going to take. So this boat is equipped with a really awesome power package from Mercury. We have triple V10 400 Mercury outboards on the back of this boat that's going to power this boat awesome. This also has an engine flushing system that's just going to make wrapping up at the end of the day very easy. Plug in a hose and it's going to flush all the engines individually. Then when we step into the cockpit here, this is designed to be a fishing boat. So you do have a couple features on the aft here, including the electric grill. And then you have a live well here. This is an aquarium style live well, so you can see that your bait is alive, doing well. You have a sink here. Then on the sides of the boat, you have in-floor fish boxes. So we can open one of those up and show you here. They're also equipped with macerators, so it's gonna go overboard with all the leftover fish guts that you have down below. So taking a look at the cockpit of the 36 Outrage, you have an awesome dive door here on the port side that opens up if you need to bring in a big fish. There's also a ladder that attaches here if you're gonna be scuba diving or just swimming, an easy access point to get in and out of the water. And as well as being a fishing boat, it is an entertaining boat, so you do have extra seating here in the back. You have a sunshade that retracts through the hardtop, and then we also have an additional pull-out cockpit seat here, so you have plenty of seating right here in the cockpit. This specific 36 Outrage has the teak package, so you can see really nice teak backing on the seats here with the custom chrome Whaler logo. Followed through here on the back seats, and you also have a pull-out table here if you need an extra spot to prep your bait, get the lines rigged up, or if you want to put out a spread picnic day at the sandbar. All right, now we're taking a look at the Helm on the 36 Outrage. You can see here we have 3 captain seats facing forward. You have 2 Simrad displays. Unique about this boat, you also do have AC vents here on the helm blowing that fresh air on you. And then of course, we're gonna have the joystick piloting control. That's gonna make pulling into the dock really easy. It's also has a skyhook feature that'll keep you in one spot if you're waiting on fuel or waiting on a bridge to open up. And then of course, autopilot is built into that as well. A couple other features we have here at the helm. You have a power vent to let in some fresh air if you're running. And then this boat is also equipped with a Seakeeper, so this is your Seakeeper display if you want to use that on the rougher days. As we step into the cabin on the 36 Outrage, you do have a vacuum flush head, and it also is a wet head, so you do have a shower. You could shower off in there. The cabin is fully AC controlled, so you do have the AC running down below. There's a sink there. You have rod storage, plenty of more storage in the cabinets, and then a fold-out bed going more towards the bow. The cabin does have a fold-out bed, so if you do want to overnight on those longer trips, you do have that option on the 36 Outrage. One of the unique things you get with Boston Whaler, in addition to being an awesome fishing boat, you can see you have all one level walk up to the bow. It is an entertainer, so you do have a ton of seating up here. So you have this huge lounge seat up in the bow. You have cup holders, armrests that pop out, and then you also have a ton of storage under here. You can throw your covers, buckets, and your shore power cords, whatever you can fit up there. So continuing up to the bow on the 36, we do still have that entertaining aspect where you have these seats that pop up here. So you have more loungers in the front. You also have storage underneath them as well. So you can throw drinks, ice in there, it'll stay cold. With being a Whaler, it is fully foam insulated. So you have tons of storage here as well. Another fish box you could use. And then you do have a table that goes right here. This is a removable cushion if you want to open it up for fishing. And then of course you also have a windlass anchor in the front with a remote control, so it's easy pulling up to the anchor spot. Again, I'm Marley Bogdan here at MarineMax Pompano Beach. If you want to come by and check out the 36 Outrage in person, come see us at 700 South Federal Highway. We'll see you out on the water. Thank you for watching.